Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I know it's been like almost 2 months since we are all locked down and it's very stressful for all of us. But I hope that all of you are doing pretty well and just hold on a little more longer and things are definitely going to be back to normal. Hoping for the best. So today I'm here with pre and post skincare tips for those of you who spend a lot of time in the kitchen. We tend to neglect ourselves when we are indoors. We tend to neglect ourselves. There are certain skincare tips that we forget, and I'm bringing those skincare tips for you, and especially if we spend a lot of time in the kitchen. For those of you who are seeing me for the first time, my name is Natalia and welcome to my channel. And if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do share this video and do subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see those skincare tips that's definitely going to help us. Skincare tip number 1 is using a sun protection cream. Now most of us use a sun protection cream only when we are stepping outdoors, and we have been programmed in that way that we use a sun protection cream only then. But I would like to suggest to you that when you are indoors and if you are exposing yourself to light, to heat and to fumes, you need to use a sun protection cream, because the slightest of light or the slightest of exposure, any kind of heat or light or different in climatic changes or different in temperature could and will affect your skin. So that is why most of us are always have this thing that we are using all our skincare products, we are following a skincare routine at home, we are indoors, yet we suffer from pigmentation, yet we have those breakouts, yet our skin is so irritated. This could be one reason, that even though we are indoors, we are exposing ourselves to a lot of pollutants around us that's affecting our skin. So definitely go ahead and use a sun protection cream. It's going to help, and especially if you are someone who's going into the kitchen, make sure you apply a very nice amount of coat your face and your exposed areas of your skin with a sun protection cream before stepping into that kitchen, because the light from the burner, the fumes from there, everything is going to irritate and damage your skin as much as you would be exposing yourself to sunlight. It's going to cause a similar damage. So do not forget to use a sun protection cream. Skincare tip number 2, keep your body hydrated. Now we always look after our external self and we forget the internal intake of our body. Remember that you are what you eat, and your face is the reflection of how your body feels from within. And especially if you are exposing yourself in that kitchen, please make note that your body is getting dehydrated. Your body is definitely feeling the same way how it felt or how it would be feeling when it was exposed to sunlight or exposed to the harshness of the sun. So keep your body hydrated. Make sure you drink water in repeated intervals of time. Do not sit and gobble up a bottle of water all at one go. Definitely it's not going to help the way it's supposed to help with the hydration process, because just gobbling water in one go is just going to be like a waterfall throughout your body, and it's going to exit without doing much to your body. So if you want to reap the benefits of hydration, make sure you keep sipping water in repeated intervals of time, and make sure it's small portions of water, and it gives your body that time to reap the benefits. So make sure you sip on water, especially if you have stepped out from the kitchen and standing under the fan cooling yourself. Drink water, and that's pretty much going to help you a lot. Skincare tip is moisturizing of your hands. Make sure you use a very good moisturizer, a very heavy moisturizer, hand cream, because your hands tend to get dry because they're exposed to a lot of detergents, a lot of washing and the stirring and the fumes. Your hands are exposed a lot. So make sure that each time you step out of the kitchen and you're pretty much done for that time, you moisturize your hand. And remember, your hands are the ones that are going to let out your age. They are the ones who are going to show your actual age. So take care of your hands pretty much as you can take care of your face. Take care of your hands and use a very good moisturizer on them. Show them some love. Skincare tip number 4 is After you're pretty much done with the kitchen and you pretty much know that okay, you are done for the day, go ahead and double cleanse your face. I know people do double cleansing only when they wear makeup, but that's absolutely wrong. You need to always, once a day before retiring for bed, you need to double cleanse your face. And after you've double cleansed, this is something I like to do is I currently use the Face Shop, the aloe vera gel from the Face Shop. I go ahead and refrigerate it, take a layer of the aloe vera gel and put a very thick layer on my face like a mask. So I let the aloe vera gel sit for 30-35 minutes till I am ready for my skincare routine. And after those 35 minutes or 40 minutes, I go ahead and just splash normal water on my face and follow up with a skincare routine after that. You can also use, if not aloe vera gel, I also use an ice. I also like to ice my face up. I always ice my face up either in the morning or in the evening before I going to sleep. So if I'm using the aloe vera gel in the night, I make sure I ice my face in the morning. And if I am skipping the aloe gel mask in the night, I go ahead and just ice my face up. That helps to really soothe your skin. It helps to calm your skin down. It's really something that's going to help you. So this is what I do in conjunction with my double cleansing method and before I go ahead with my skincare. So these are pretty much some skincare tips that you can follow, or rather than that you should follow. If you practice using a sun protection cream and make it a part of you, you are going to see that half of your skincare problems are going to end with using a nice good sun protection cream. You're definitely going to see your skin feeling much better, much healthier, and it's going to be really reacting well. So go ahead, follow these skincare tips, and till then, take care, have a nice day, stay blessed. And if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do share this video and do subscribe to my channel. You will see more of me and more of these skincare tips that I bring to you. Take care. Bye.